Hello friends, it's time to reveal September's 2023 knife giveaway at my YouTube channel, John Clark. But before we do, let's take a moment and congratulate the August winner of the Buzz Lightyear knife. Here he is. Sent me a video thanking me. And it's my pleasure. Thank you for supporting the channel. And go ahead and make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Like the video and comment "I want this knife," because that's how I enter you into the contest. Alright, let's go ahead and unwrap this baby and see what we got. I like orange knives, and I ordered us up a K-Bar 06-4062BO Folding Hunter and Blaze Orange. Not a bad looking knife. It's a lockback right here in the center. It's got a pocket clip, not so deep carry. It is reversible. It already has a bolt in there and there. It has a AWS 8-8 stainless steel blade, which is similar to 440. It's a low carbon, easy to sharpen, and rust resistant blade, but it's not a super steel. It's just a common knife steel. It's a Dozer design. Bob Dozer designed the knife. It's a good looking knife, and I chose the knife because it's a budget friendly. Usually comes in somewhere in the mid 20s, 26 bucks, 27 bucks. Budget friendly knife that anybody can afford. And it's one of the highest rated knives in that price range. You know, I got a $270 bench made I'm giving away when I hit 1,000 subscribers. One of my subscribers is going to get that $270 bench made. This knife's going to be given away at the end of the month. It doesn't matter how many subscribers I have. One of you is going to get it. As long as you're subscribed, your name's in the thing, I'm picking a winner at the end of the month. Doesn't matter if I have 5 more subscribers or 100. This knife is going to give away, and I'll have another one next month. So make sure you like the video, you subscribe to the channel, comment "I want this knife," and good luck to you. I hope you win. And once again, thanks everybody that has supported the channel so far. I'm having a blast. I have a lot of great content planned. Stay tuned, and you have a good day. Thanks again.